Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a skincare routine. I'm going to be sharing with you all of my skin secrets. I mean, I don't really think it's a secret. I hope you guys like this. Oh, it's actually coming off. I hope you guys like my husband Kidua, my baby Itachi right here. They are literally life itself. I don't know what I would do if I didn't have these characters in my life. Like, I'm serious. I love characters. So, a little fun fact about me, I love anime, I love like fantasy, I love all that kinds of stuff. It really gets me in my heart. But let's talk about what you're really here for. I honestly get so, like, I'm not trying to sound like, you know, conceited or anything, but I do get a lot of compliments on my skin, and I want to share that knowledge with you because I feel like I've done a lot of skin research. I used to have acne, but I did have like a full forehead of acne when I was in like middle school. I have to get rid of this. So then I just started to do things and be really consistent. So the first thing that you want to do with skincare is be consistent. Like, if you are not consistent, like, it's not gonna work. Like, it's just not gonna work. I would say mask 2 to 4 times a month. Like, honestly, at least 2 times. Like, your skin really needs to detox, you know, stress, pollution, sweat. A lot of things are on your face and you really need to just deep clean it. So a product that I really like is this Glossier Mega Greens Galaxy Pack Detoxifying Face Mask. It's a clay mask, I think. Well, it looks like clay, but it has mega greens, which is, it just kind of smells like clay. It looks like this. The reason I like this is because I really do feel like it does detoxify and pull out all the gunk in my skin, which is what I need. My face feels fresh, it feels cleaner the moment I wash it off. Sorry, someone called me. I'm filming off my phone. I'm not using my camera because I think my phone might be better quality. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below if you like me filming with my phone or my camera. My hygiene routine was with my camera. Let me know. I really like this one though because it's not as intense, but it does wonders to your face. It's a lot softer. It looks a lot clearer, more fresh. The mask that I really like. This mask right here by Milky Makeup called the Matcha Detoxifying Face Mask. And this one is like a little stick. So I really like this one because it's super gentle. I feel like it's a gentle mask, but at the same time I feel like it really just cleans your skin. It really does feel detoxifying. I really like the way this one feels. I switch out these two just because personally I like to switch out my products so that my face isn't getting used to it, because once my face gets used to it, it's bad. One thing about this one is it's kind of expensive. I don't even know how much this one is. You get 1 ounce. With this one you get 3 ounces, so it's kind of like I do have a coupon code with Glossier if you want to try something out. It's 10% off, and I do make a little bit of commission for it, but yeah, so you can use my link. I'll leave it down in the description bar if you've been wanting to try out some Glossier. I really like this stuff. I've been using Glossier since before they gave me a code, so don't think that like I'm just using it or like I just like it because of the code. Like, that's not true. Like, I use Glossier stuff. Do not skip out on your mask. Like, when it's time to do your mask day, just do your mask day. Something else I like to use is this Skinfood rice mask wash off, but this is like not really a mask, it's more of an exfoliator. This one is a physical exfoliator, but the thing is that this one is like, it has like a very soft, like, I don't know, it's like a very like pudding feeling, like very gentle. I know people don't really like physical exfoliants, and people are really into chemical ones now. I tried a chemical one and my skin didn't really react to it that well. I don't know if it was just the chemical one that I was using or what. This is the one I use when I'm having like blackheads or when my skin just feels dry and dull. Like, this will really just snap me back. Like, I make sure to use this twice a week, twice a week. I don't have a lot of texture when I use this because I'm scrubbing off all dead stuff, so I like this and I would recommend it. It's only $10 at Ulta. I should have probably talked about this first because this is like the first step, is taking off your makeup. I use this Rice Water Bright Light Cleansing Oil, and I prefer cleansing oils when taking off my makeup if I'm wearing like a full face. It's a lot more gentle than using like a face wipe. I do use face wipes. I use the Kirkland ones, but I just prefer the oil. I felt worse on my eyes, but if you get this in your eyes, like it might burn a little bit. It just takes off my makeup really good and adds a lot of hydration, and my skin feels smooth and soft after I use this. I really like Korean beauty. Like if you're trying to get into skincare, I would recommend Korean skincare because they just formulate their products with like better ingredients and their stuff actually works. Like since I've been doing my skin, like there's always a Korean skincare like in my skincare routine. Like most of the stuff is Korean skincare. This mask, this rice mask, Korean skincare. This oil, Korean skincare. This face wash that I'm about to tell you right now that actually matches this oil, Korean skincare. So I prefer Korean skincare. Like when I'm done using this stuff up, I'm gonna buy more Korean skincare. So I recommend the same to you. They are the trendsetters for glass skin. Like glass skin is a Korean thing. So, you know, I love their products for that reason. I don't really use a lot of American products that much because it's like, why would I, when Korean skincare gives me the glass skin, way better ingredients, and honestly it's cheaper most of the time. Like there's no competition, like I'm sorry. So this is the Face Shop, the brand, the oil, and this face wash is from the Face Shop, and this is the Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser, and this is like a very light foam cleanser. If you have oily skin, like run to Amazon and buy this. I bought them in a pack, I think for like $20 or like $15, I'm not sure, but get this. I'm almost out. I need to buy some more because this is so good. I love to use this at night because it just takes away all my oils. Like my face feels like it just feels so clean. My skin just looks so much better. I honestly love this. I usually use the stronger face washes at night, and then I use like a softer cleanse in the morning. Just wash your face at night. There's not that much on your face when you wake up. This is another favorite. This is probably like my 4th bottle. This is from Glossier. This is their famous Milky Jelly Cleanser. I've been using this forever. This is a fresh bottle that I just got, and honestly it's called a conditioning face wash, and like that is so accurate. Like it really is conditioning, and I like this because you can use it to take off your makeup. I use it in the morning when I do have makeup. Like I had some mascara on the other day and I just used this and it just took it all off, and I was like, thank you. It doesn't remove waterproof makeup, but it does remove regular makeup. Like there's just multiple uses for it, and in the morning my face just looks like it's just glowing. I feel clean. My face looks like super smooth and silky, and I just love it. Like I would highly recommend this Milky cleanser. They just came out with travel sizes, I think. Well, I don't know if they just came out with it, but I haven't seen it on their website until recently. So if you want to try it out, you can always just get the travel size and then decide if you want to buy the full thing. This is your best friend. Packaging is a 10 out of 10. It's so simple. It's so cute. Oh. Jelly consistency, and it makes my skin hydrated. After I'm done washing my face, I like to use this, and this right here is the Skinfood Peach Sake toner. This is also Korean skincare. When I put this on my skin, it just glows. Like my skin just glows. I don't know if you can really see my skin right now, but it is just like, it's looking good. And honestly, this toner is just like my best friend. Like I use this morning and night because the more that I use it, the better the results. Like when I don't use this, I notice that my skin is looking a little rough. This toner is pore refining. That's what it says right here. It says it's a refreshing toner that eliminates shine from enlarged pores and excessive sebum production with finest sake and peach extracts. So the reason why toner is important is because of what it says, your pores. You really want to minimize those guys because you don't really want a lot of oil and stuff getting into it. And when your pores are large, like there's just a lot of sebum, which is like oils and dirt, and you don't really want that on your skin because it won't look good. Like you'll get bumps and pimples and stuff like that. This, when I put it on in the morning and when I put it on at night, I just feel like it's combating like any bacteria that's trying to like grow on my skin or any dirt that's like on my skin. I feel like this just keeps my face clean, which is why I love and really recommend toners. Like if you're not using a toner, what are you doing, sis? Like, what are you doing? A toner is not something that you can skip. Like if you want that glass skin, if you want those small pores, like a toner is going to be your best friend. And sake is like a really good ingredient for your skin and getting that glass skin look and getting those smaller pores, keeping your skin fresh. Sake is a good ingredient and keeping it hydrated. So like it's just amazing. And this bottle is so cute. Like it actually looks like a bottle of sake. Like I put my boyfriend onto this and he's like, oh my god, my skin's doing way better. And I'm like, yeah, I told you. Like I told you. I don't know, you thought this was a game. Highly recommend this peach sake toner. It's really affordable. Like I'm running out. Like your girl needs to get some more because I really can't live without this. It's 135 milliliters, so I don't know how much ounces that is. Run to Ulta. They do sell this at Ulta, but I think you could also find it on Amazon. But like this is probably my biggest like secret. Like this is like the reason why my skin is pretty good. And it's just like amazing. Like when I already put some on, but I'm gonna just put on some more just so you guys can see. When I use this, I like to pat it into my skin. I like to rub it into my hands and I just like to pat it in my pores, all over my face, especially on my forehead, my neck. Glow, baby, glow. So when I'm done with toning, I like to use my lotion. I need a new one, to be honest. Like this is just something that I've been using because as an oily person, it's really hard to find a face lotion. Like honestly, I don't even, this sounds kind of like messed up, but like there was a time in my life where I didn't put on lotion. So I would just put on toner and like sunblock. Or I would just put on toner and like a hydrating face mist, which is sometimes honestly, like I still do that. I'm not gonna lie. I use my MAC Fix Plus, the lavender one, and I just put it and my skin feels like pretty hydrated and I'm like, okay, good, like I'm good to go. I know that's not the best thing because everybody's like, oh, you need to hydrate your face. Like, you need to hydrate your face even if you're oily. Like you need all that. I'm like, okay, you know what? I guess, but like anybody who's saying that is probably not even oily. Like I just don't like the way lotion feels when I'm already oily. I use this Garnier Skinactive Moisture Rescue Refreshing Gel Cream. It's a gel lotion actually. It's like a water gel. And I like it because the moment I put it on, my skin looks glowy. My skin like feels like slightly moisturized. The only thing is that I know Garnier doesn't really use the best ingredients, so it's kind of like alarming for me. But at the same time, I know Garnier is one of the better brands. Like I know some brands really use crap in their stuff. Honestly, I need like a Korean skincare lotion that's like the same consistency as this. Important. Sunscreen. So again, this is a Korean product on Amazon. This is from the brand Etude House. This is their Sun Prize Mild Watery Light SPF 50. SPF 50 plus. I don't know if that means that there's more than 50 or what, but I can't read Korean, so I don't really know what it's saying, but I like this. This is like the moment that I put it on, it dries. So like it doesn't, I don't even feel it on my face. So I'm like, cool, I can wear sunblock every single day. Like this is not a joke, but I hate the way sunblock feels. Like no, I'm glad that I found this one because it's really good. Like I'm almost out. It was like $10 to $15. Again, Korean skincare is not that much and you're getting like high quality products, but I would recommend this as a sunscreen. Like anything less than 50 like isn't gonna work because them UV rays are strong. Like don't play with the sun. It prevents wrinkles. And when I get pimples, this is like another secret. It's not really a secret, but because everybody's been talking about it, but I've been using it since I was in like 8th grade. I'm a soft junior now in college. Tea tree oil is a freaking gem. Like thank you God for making tea tree oil. Like thank you Earth for giving us tea tree oil. It is a natural essential oil and it has high cleansing properties. It's highly antibacterial, and this will help whatever pimple you have. Like that pimple with oil and dirt and bacteria, throw a little tea tree oil on this for 2 days, that pimple will be gone. Tea tree oil is something I used to spot treat. You can use tea tree oil for so many different things. The last two things to talk about are lip balms. So the one that I've really been loving recently is this Kush balm. This is my second one actually. This is amazing. This is the Milk Makeup Kush lip balm, and it has cannabinoid oil or cannabis oil or CBD oil or something. I freaking love this lipstick or lip balm. This lip balm hydrates my lips and has like a slight tingly minty sensation. It feels really nice. My lips look really moisturized. It has like a nice sheen to it. I could drink water and my lips will still have this gloss on it. Like, this lip balm is really durable. Some lip balm that's like feels good for 5 minutes and then bye, like it's gone. Like, she checked out, she's gone, like sorry. Like, who lip balm, who like your lips are dry again. This is $16 at Sephora and I swear by it. Good contender though, really good contender is this Glossier one that I'm almost done with. This is the mintbalm.com universal skin salve. So you can also use this like on your elbows and stuff. I really like this one because it's super minty and I love that minty tingly feeling on my lips. This one's also very durable and really good. I love putting this one on my lips. It adds also like a nice sheen to my lips and it comes out like this. The mint flavor is honestly the best flavor. These two lip products will keep your lips feeling good. Take them with me everywhere I go. Like, I don't leave the house without my lip balms. And if I do leave the house without my lip balms, I'm literally crying like to myself because I'm like, wow, I can't believe I just left my lip balms. Like, I need it. My lips are dry. That is the end of my skincare routine. I hope this helped. I hope that there were some good tips, good product recommendations, and I hope that your skin journey will be smooth. I should have said this in the beginning, but I do have oily skin, so this is what works for me. This is what works for my oily, acne prone skin. If you're dry, I'm sorry. I don't know if these products would work the best for you. Pretty much the face washes may not work for you dry skin people, only because I know you need like a little more moisture. Actually, the Glossier one would probably work for you because it's hydrating. I know this video is long, I'm sorry. Please be sure to follow me on my socials and hit that subscribe button before you go so you can see more content from me, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Let me know what you want to watch and I can get it done. Okay, bye.